So this is breakfast for us.
Excuse us, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2.
So we're just trying to get this bit of the stage done as quick as we can because this big dark cloud is coming over us and we do not want to be caught up in that. We do not want to be caught in that, it'll be horrible. It just looks disgusting. Look at the colour of the sky. That's what we're going into. Storm's coming. Don't want to get wet again. So it's just started snowing over the mountains. I have to still go much higher up there. Well, not much higher. A few hundred meters up. So the snow might get a bit worse. I think it'll be quite cool if it does. Should finish stage 5 quite quick though. By about 2 o'clock at least. So let's keep going, Zach. Just realised we just passed halfway through stage 5, which means we've done half of the whole TMB, half of 180, 170 kilometres. Oh yeah, feels so rough.
Look at me.
I want to shave, I want to shower, I want to wash my hair.
Look at that.
Just feel like homeless
My friend's
people.
not gonna think I'm attractive.
There's a rainbow! Look! In the dark, cold day. Finally made it. Stage 5 complete. So we decided to buy a cappuccino just so we can sit inside. It's so cold outside. I think it's still snowing actually.
Have a sip. The tiniest sip.
Go on then.
Just to warm my belly.
So we're just starting stage 6 now. It's gotten a lot colder outside. Just gonna try and cover as much ground as we can. How you feeling, Zach? Snowing. It's like snowing and hailing. We've had every type of weather.
This is like a snowstorm.
So the weather's still horrible. It's getting worse actually. Just come down from all the way up there. It's like the muddiest path we've ever seen. Shoes are a bit worse for wear. We've just done, so we've just run down basically, keeping up with all the marathon runners. We've run down from the start here, Refugee Bonatti to Charlie, over there. I think we'll go a bit further on to Riff Elena and camper on there, because I can't see us going to 2,600 meters or whatever it is. We've just found this little borough built into the hill. It's made of like stone. It doesn't look too safe actually, but it's the only shelter out there. We couldn't even get shelter at the chalet ferret or whatever it is down at the bottom. It's just nobody gives us shelter. There's like a hotel restaurant. They don't give you any shelter, and there's TPs for the marathon runners, but they just don't provide you anything. I'm running low on battery too, so I might have to switch to my GoPro now. They just give you nothing. So I think we'll stay here for a good 10-15 minutes, maybe have a cup of soup, warm up for the next 150 metre ascent. I should probably switch to my GoPro. I hope I have enough battery to record the rest of the trip. We're like a third of the way through stage 6 right now. There's some guys who are doing what we're doing. They're going up here, so it's motivated us to go up here. It's 6 o'clock. We have to climb 500 metres. We're rolling it together. It's time to walk to Switzerland. Let's go, man. 2 countries in 2 days. First time we've seen frost on this trip. Snowball. Here we are at the summit in Switzerland! On the border. It's just so frosty. This is what altitude we're at. Oh my god. Oh my god. As if we're summiting. I don't know where we're sleeping tonight. -5 or something. Oh baby! Why does it look so blue up there? You know what I mean? Smoke.
It's probably still sun.
Smoky blue.
Half 7, 8.
So cool. My legs, my feet, everything just hurts so much. But we've done a lot today. The Swiss flag. We've done it. Done our target.
I was not expecting to be here.
We're not expecting to do it, but we did it.
It's like 7:30 now.
So dark. Where's everyone else though?
Where's everyone?
You sure this is it?
I don't know, let's...
This refuge? Can we...
la course. Non.
Bonjour. So we've decided to pay for the camping here so we can use the showers, facilities, get warm and just charge our stuff. It was 15 euros each, but we get to use all the facilities and everything and Wi-Fi. So yeah, we're just gonna go sleep now. We shall see you tomorrow.